Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last video we tried to pass a single integer to the task, and in this video we are going to do an extended task. That is, we are going to pass integer array to the task. So the code is pretty much similar. The style is not that different from the previous one, but there are a few things that we need to understand. So that's why I made a separate video for this. So talking about the initial stuff, this is saying this is almost the same, and here we made some changes. So talking about the first thing, that is the task um, function name. It's just a simple, easy to understand name that we got. This is the stack size, this is the priority, this is the handler, right? Same as previously. I have declared an integer array that is named as numbers instead of number integer character, integer variable, and it's an array of 3 elements that is being initialized to 1 2 3, right? So in order to pass this, we need to, so the concept was that you cast it to a pointer uh, of void type, and then you cast it back to the original type, right? Again, when you casting it back, you have to create a pointer of that type, right? So what we do here is that we know the name of so basically the name of any array is actually the pointer to the first position of that array, right? So this is in fact already a pointer. That's why I haven't put uh, this ampersand symbol here. In the case of integer, I did that, and then I casted it to void type. So we converted it to the void type pointer, okay, from a pointer of integer type. So that's the first part of it. Now coming towards the task, we converted it back to integer type. So what I did is I created a pointer of integer type and made it equal to the pointer of void type which was being received in the main task, same as what we did in the previous video. Okay, now this is a pointer, and this is going to contain what? It is going to contain the value of the memory location of the first element of the array. So it is pointing where? It is pointing to that memory location. Okay, now what we are doing here is we are printing the first element. So I said the number received first is equals to this is going to print the content where this pointer was pointing. Okay, now the next element of the array is going to be one integer ahead of it. For that I added +1 to here, and now this is the memory location where the second element of the pointer is going to be second element of the array is going to be present. So this is going to print or return us the content of the second element in the array. Same is the case with the third one. Okay, and we are putting some delay between printing of these. So I have already uploaded it. So if I reboot, here are the contents. So this is what we were sending and being that was being printed. That is it for this video. Next we are going to learn how to pass structures and string type variables into the task.